This is the crankshaft, the backbone of the engine. Its main job is to convert the up and down movement of the pistons into rotational motion. As the pistons move, the connecting rods push on the crank journals, causing the crankshaft to rotate. This rotation is what eventually turns the flywheel and delivers power to the transmission and wheels. Proper lubrication here is very important. Without oil, the crank bearings will fail. A healthy crankshaft means smooth power, less vibration, and a longer engine life.